Hello everyone, myself Dasgude Tanuja Ramdas from Savitribai Phule Pune University under Sanjeevani Pratishthan College of Education, Taluka Parner, Dist Ahilanagar, B.Ed second year 2025-26. My subject name is the Entrepreneurship Development, and in this subject I will perform the practical, the development of an educational product. In this practical, I will take the biology subject. Within the biology subject, I take standard 9 chapter cell. The subcomponent is cell organelles. Hello everyone. Today I am going to present a topic from biology, cell organelles. These organelles are special structures inside the cell that help in the cell function properly. Let's begin. We know all about the cell. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Then the organelle. The organelle is the little organ present in our body which processes all the activities in our body. Let's begin the cell organelles in our body. The first cell organelle is the cell membrane, the outer covering of the cell. It is a thin, flexible, and selectively permeable. It gives also cell to its shape. Then next cell organelle is the nucleus. It is the powerhouse of the cell. It also known as the control center of the cell. It also contains genetic material called the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, which also present in human beings. Then next cell organelle is the cytoskeleton. There are the three types of filaments. First is the microtubules, second is the actin filaments, and third is the intermediate filaments. Then next cell organelle is the endoplasmic reticulum, is also known as the network of membranes. There are the two endoplasmic reticulums present in our cell. First is the rough endoplasmic reticulum and second is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present and that helps in the protein synthesis. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it has no ribosomes. It helps in lipid and fat synthesis. Next cell organelle is the ribosomes. It is also known as the site of protein synthesis found in attached to rough endoplasmic reticulum or a floating free cytosol. It produces in part of the nucleus called the nucleolus. The next cell organelle is the Golgi apparatus. It looks like a stack of plates, stores and modifies and packages proteins. The molecules are transported to and from Golgi, it means the vesicles. The next cell organelle is lysosomes. Lysosomes is also known as the garbage disposal of the cell. It contains digestive enzymes that break down to waste. The next cell organelle is the mitochondria. It is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. The process of cellular respiration occurs here to release energy for the cell to use. It is bound by a double membrane structure. It has a wound strand of DNA. The next cell organelle is the chloroplast. It is found in only plant cell. It contains green chlorophyll pigment, which also called known as the photosynthesis. The photosynthesis process occurs in plants only. It is a side of food. It is also known as the glucose and fructose production in the plants. It is bound by a double membrane. The next cell organelle is the cell wall. It is found in plant and bacterial cells. It is a rigid, protective, and a barrier. It is located outside of the cell membrane. It is made up from cellulose. It is also known as the fiber. The next cell organelle is the vacuoles. It is a large central vacuole, usually in plant cell. Many smaller vacuoles in animal cell. It is a storage container for water, food, enzymes, waste, pigments, etc. The next cell organelle is the centriole. It is the aids in the cell division, usually found in only in animal cells. It is made up of microtubules. Then the quick review about the cell organelles. Which organelle is the control center of the cell? It is also known as the nucleus. Which organelle holds the cell together? The cell membrane. It holds the cell together. Then which organelles are not found in animal cells? Cell wall, central vacuoles, chloroplast are not found in animal cell. which are found in only plant cell. Which organelle helps in plant cells make food? The chloroplast make food in plants. The process known as the photosynthesis. What does endoplasmic reticulum stands for? The ER stands for the endoplasmic reticulum.